Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This is the video for students of class 2 subject science. Our today's thought: if you want to change the world, start with yourself, done by Mahatma Gandhi. So he had said a very beautiful thought that we blame people that they are bad or they are not behaving properly, but do we look at ourselves any time? So that is what we have to do. We have to change ourselves. We have to show the people how to behave, how to be. They will follow your example, not your advice. Instructions you have to follow each and every day are: listen carefully and follow instructions the first time whenever your parents or teachers, elders give you some instructions. Do not argue, follow it the very first time you get it. Work hard and try your best. Whatever you are doing, either you are studying or even playing, give your best. Be polite and show respect. This is very much important. Whenever you are talking with someone, never shout at them. Speak very politely and give respect to everyone. In today's video, we will do the revision of lesson number 12, the water cycle, that we have already started on our online classes. We will revise the lesson. Explanation I will give you once again for those who had not attended the Google Meet classes, and those who had attended can revise the video. Let us solve some interesting worksheets after understanding the chapter, and you are already seated with your rough book and pencil, I am sure. So let's start. So first of all, you know the name of the lesson that we are studying, lesson number 12, the water cycle. We are doing the warm-up exercise. Before we start with the lesson, we will solve some warm-up exercise. So let's start. Look at the pictures given below. Write the names of these forms of water. Right below the pictures. So 4 images are given. All the 4 things are the forms of water. We have to write which form of water it is. Let's see. Number 1. Which form of water is this? It is ice. So let us write the answer. ICE, ice. It is the form of water and it is ice. Then see number 2. Which form of water is this? It is the form of water. The water is already in the original form. It is water. So let us write the answer. It is already water. WATER, water in its original form. That is rainwater. Then number 3. Which form of water is this? That is also the original form of water. Water as it is. So the third blank also we write water, because that is also the water's original form. See number 4. What do you think this is? Which form of water is this? It is steam. The steam coming out of the hot pot, that is steam. So that is also the form of water. STEAM, steam. It is in the form of vapor. It goes up and mixes with the air. So these are all forms of water. See over here. Water is present all around us. It is even present in air. Did you know that? Air around us we have studied. So water is present in the air all around us. It rains at some places while it snows at places where it is very cold. So see, in some places it will rain like this, but in some places we see snowfall. Whereas some places which are very very cold, they get snowfall. See, the snow is falling on the vehicles. This is snow and this is rain. So at different places the climate is different. Mostly we see rainfall, but some places which are very very cold, it is chilling weather over there in winter season, they experience snowfall. But both these things, whether it is rainfall or snowfall, there is water present inside it. Water is present inside both rain and snow. Now, what is water? The clear liquid that falls as rain and is in rivers, seas and lakes is called water. See, this is clear liquid that will fall down as rain. It will fall in river, seas and lakes. That is called water. It is a clear liquid that falls along with the rainfall. Where will it fall? It will fall on our earth. Rivers, seas and lakes, they all get filled up with water when it rains. And this is a clear liquid. Water is called liquid. When there is rainfall, we get plenty of water. Next, how many forms of water are there? So this is very important thing. How many forms are there? There are 3 forms of water. Which are they? Solid means ice, liquid, that is water, and gas, water vapor. These are the 3 forms of water: solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas. These 3 things you have to remember: solid, liquid, gas. These are the 3 forms of water. Now, solid, you can say ice, that is solid in solid form. When you put water in the freezer, it will get freezed because of the temperature inside the freezer. Then when you put it outside, it will melt and again it will become water in liquid form. If you boil this water, if you heat the water in a container, in a vessel, you put it on a gas, you start heating, it will start evaporating. The water will come out and it will go up in the form of gas. It will become water vapor. So these are the 3 forms of water: solid, liquid and gas. SOLID solid, LIQUID liquid, GAS gas. Solid, liquid and gas are the 3 forms of water. See, here also we have same: solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid and gas, 3 forms of water. Now, what about solid? Solid things will keep the shape as it is. See, this is solid. It will not change its shape. It will keep the shape as it is. Liquid. What about liquid? Does it have any shape? No. Liquid takes the shape of the container in which you put it. See, if you put liquid in the glass, if you pour water in the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. See, this is water, but it has taken the shape of glass. This is glass shape in water. So, liquid does not have any shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container in which you pour it. If you pour it in a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. If you pour it in a container like glass, it will take the shape of a glass. So, liquid does not have any shape of its own. Then what about gas? Gas also does not have any shape. See, it is shapeless, but it fills the container. Yes, we can also insert gas in the vehicles like cars, right? Buses. So, this gas occupies space. Gas does occupy space, but it has no shape of its own. Only solid has the shape. Liquid does not have the shape of its own. Even the gas does not have its shape. But yes, gas fills the container, it occupies space. That is what we understand by solid, liquid and gas. Moving ahead, see, consider these two things. You might have seen lemon and lemon day, right? You might have already drank lemon day. So lemon is solid, it has the shape. See, lemon is solid. But what about the lemon day? We make lemon day from lemon. So this lemon day is in liquid form. Because we put water, we crush the lemon, we squeeze it and we take out lemon and we put it in the juice, lemon juice or lemon day. So that is liquid, but this lemon is solid. Pour lemon day in a bowl and then in the glass and then in the mug. Now observe what happened. So lemon day, you put it in the bowl, then you put it in the glass and then in the mug. What happened? Lemon day takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. If you pour lemon day in the bowl, it will take the shape of bowl. If you put it in the glass, it takes the shape of the glass. And if you put it in the mug, it takes the shape of this mug. So what does this show? It has no shape of its own. This is the most important line. It has no shape of its own. You put it in any container, it will take the shape of that container. This also proves that liquid does not have its own shape, whether it is water, lemon day or any juice. If it is liquid, it does not have its shape. It has no shape. It will take the shape of the container in which you pour it. Look at these images. Lemon day is made from lemon, right? We make this lemon day from lemon. That's true. Now, when you put lemon in any container, like bowl, glass or mug, see, this is lemon. Does it change the shape or not? It cannot be poured. You cannot pour it like liquid. Lemon stays as it is in the container. See, it will be as it is in any container you put it, does not matter. It will be as it is. It does not change its shape according to the shape of the container. See, this is the shape of the container. Does it change the shape? Does this lemon change its shape when you put it in the different containers? It will not, because it is solid. Lemon does not change its shape. Lemon day can change the shape, but lemon does not change the shape. Anything that has a fixed shape, size and cannot flow is called solid. So here comes the definition of solid, which you have already written. So just learn it now, no need to write. Anything that has fixed shape, like lemon, it was there, it has fixed shape, it has fixed size and it will not flow. You cannot pour it from one container to another. That things are called solid things, which have fixed shape, size and it will not flow from one container to another. Anything that does not have fixed shape can be poured easily and can be flowed is liquid. So this is the definition of liquid. Anything that does not have fixed shape, it can be poured easily and can flow is a liquid. Like lemon day is liquid. See, you can easily pour lemon day in the glass, in the jug, in the mug. So that is liquid. It has no fixed shape like water. Water does not have any shape. You put it in the glass, it will take the shape of glass. You put it in the mug, it will take the shape of mug. So that is called liquid. It has no shape, it can be poured easily and it can flow. Liquids will always flow downwards or sideways. So liquids will never fly upwards, it will never flow upward. When you pour the water from the glass, where will it go? When you drop the water, where will it go? Will it go down or will it go up? Of course, it will go downwards or sideways. It will go on side. If there is a lot of wind, then it might go this side or that side, but it will never go upwards, will it? No. So liquids have this property, they fly downwards or sideways. Gas will flow in every direction. It takes the shape of the container it is filled in. See, now we are talking about gas. You might have seen that gas cylinders are there. We also see gas in these balloons. When you buy balloons, some balloons are there which will fly up in the sky because of the gas it has. So gas can flow in any direction. In every direction it can flow. It takes the shape of the container it is filled in. See, this is the container. The tire tube, the balloon. So inside this is gas. Gas occupies space inside this balloon. How did this balloon get the shape? Because of the gas. It is round. Because gas is there inside the balloon. This is container for gas. And this is tire tube or tire, you can say. Inside this also there is gas. So gas occupies space. Gas can flow in any direction. Like liquids flow downwards or sideways, but gas can flow upwards, sideways, downwards, anywhere. Liquids cannot, but gas can flow anywhere. See the examples, let us read. These are some examples of solid. Let's read the examples. Pliers are there. Then pilers, pliers, then jackhammers, bulldozer, forklift, helicopter, false teeth, hammer, submarine, clock, and saw. These are all solid things. Why are these solid things? Because they have their own shape. It cannot flow from one container to another. They have fixed shape. So these things are called solid things. See the liquid things which are given. So cocoa, it is liquid. Soup, milk, beach water, bathtub water, sink water, juice, fresh water, melted snow, river water. All these are liquid things. Then gas. Which are the gaseous things? Let us see. Fire, candle fire, steam coming out from the soup, clouds, then steam from cocoa, lava coming out from the ground, evaporation of water, dragon flame, gas, smell, steam from grill. So all these are gaseous things which you can see. So we got plenty of examples. You can write any two from so many examples. For solid you have to write any two, for liquid you will write any two, and for gas you will write any two examples. Let's read ahead. Look at these pictures and circle the solids. In these images which are given, we have to find out which are the solid things. So here we have to circle the things that are solids. Let us see which are the solid things. Hat, is it solid? Yes, hat is a solid thing. So let us circle hat. Hat is solid. What about the treasure chest? Yes, treasure chest is also solid. So let us circle treasure chest. Rain. No, it is liquid. Water, liquid. Mic. Is it solid? Yes, mic is solid. So we circle mic. What about the ice cube? Ice cube is also solid. So we circle ice cube. Hot air. No, that is not solid. Bench, the bench which you can see, yes, the bench is solid. So let us circle bench. Then, is the smoke solid? No, it is not. Juice, even juice is not solid. So all these things are solid which I have circled. Now let us circle the liquid things. Which are the liquid things? Let us have a look. Bag, is it liquid? No. Oil, is it liquid? Yes, oil is liquid. Then water, is it liquid? Yes, water is liquid. So let us circle water. Steam coming out from this, is it liquid? No, it's not. Lamp, is lamp liquid? No, it's not. Syrup, yes, syrup is liquid. So let us circle syrup because it is liquid. Juice, the orange juice or whichever juice that we drink, so that juice is also in the liquid form. Let us circle juice, it is in liquid form. Hourglass, even hourglass is not liquid, it is solid. Milk, so we can say that yes, milk is in liquid form. Milk that we drink is in liquid form. Smoke, no, smoke is not liquid, it is in gaseous form, so we will not circle it. Smoke is in gaseous form. So all these things are liquid that we have already circled. After that, let us circle the things which are in gaseous form. Number 1, juice. No, we just circled juice for liquid, so it cannot be in gaseous form. Smoke coming out from factories, so you can say yes, smoke is in gaseous form. So smoke we circle it. Then house, house is solid, so house we don't have to circle because it is solid. Box, even the pencil box is solid, it has a particular shape of its own, so we will not circle. Air, yes, the balloon contains air or the gas. That balloon contains air, so it flows, it flies up, and air is in gaseous form. Water, no, water is not gaseous form, it is in liquid form, so we will not circle. Next images, here also we have to circle the things which are gaseous form. Wind, so wind is in the form of gas, so we circle wind, it is in the gaseous form. Clock, clock has a shape, it is hard, it is solid. Water is liquid, it will take the shape of the container. Smoke, so you can say yes, smoke is in gaseous form, so we circle smoke. Steam coming out from the pot when it is hot, so that steam is also in the gaseous form, which you can see coming out from here, that is gaseous form. Vapor coming out of the pan, when you fry something, the water vapor that comes out, that vapor is also in the gaseous form. So all these things are in the gaseous form, which you can see, which I have circled with red. Now see over here, look at these pictures and name the state of matter. Means is it solid, liquid or gas, that you have to write over here. Number 1, the image which you can see, is it solid, liquid or gas? It is in solid form, so let us write SOLID, solid. Then number 2, you can see this steam coming out from this pot, it is in the gaseous form, so we write gas. Steam which comes out is in gaseous form. The water which you can see, so water is always in the liquid form, So there we write liquid, liquid. It is water, liquid form. Then over here again you can see the arrow. Again we are talking about water in the swimming pool. So that is also liquid form. The rainwater is also liquid, and the water which you can see in the swimming pool, even that water is in liquid form. Next, see over here, which form is this? The smoke coming out from the fire, this smoke is in the gaseous form. So we write over there gas. The smoke is in the gaseous form. Then the sofa which you can see, which is kept over here, which form is sofa? Sofa is in the solid form. Even if it is a sofa or a chair, table, all these are in solid forms. See the next one. Look at the picture and choose the correct state of matter. The images are given and 3 options are given everywhere: solid, liquid or gas. We have to select the correct one. See number 1, the rings you can see, the bowl is kept over here. All these have particular shape. They have their own shape. So which things have their own shape? Solid things. These things are solid. They have their own shape. Next, milk which is kept over here, it takes the shape of the container. If you pour it in the box, it will take the shape of box. If you pour it in glass, it takes the shape of a glass. So that quality, that characteristic is of liquid. It takes the shape of the container in which you pour it. Then the vapor which is coming out over here, which form it is? It is in the gaseous form. The vapor coming out is in the gaseous form. So we mark gas over here. This is gas. And this one, you see the spray which is coming out, which form it is? That is also in the gaseous form. The deodorant or the spray that we use for applying on our body, that is in the gaseous form. See the next image. What about this one? Which form it is? It is some chemical which is shown over here. It is in liquid form, just like water, that is also liquid. The bag, the school bag that you carry, you put the books in it, that is in the solid form because it has its own shape, size, color. The clouds that you see in the sky, do they have any shape? No, they don't have any particular shape. They are in the gaseous form. This cylinder which you can see, the red color cylinder, that cylinder is in the solid form. This red color cylinder is in the solid form. Now let us see, draw a line, match the following, draw a line connecting the pictures on the left to the matching phase of matter on the right. See this one, water droplets match with this waterfall. So we match the first one with this, water drops. The steam coming out, that is in the gaseous form. So even the balloons have filled gas in it. The gas is filled in the balloon. And the last one, ice, which is found at in very cold temperatures. So we match it. So today we learnt about lesson 12, the water cycle. Warm-up exercise we did, and we studied about water changes its forms. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day all of you.